want it at my home. Obviously, you're going to we need to go. You don't want to talk to me? Oh, so go. Okay, well, I'm saying it now. I'm saying it now. No, it's not a fucking second. It's go now. What?
They could have just asked.
Okay, well, I'm asking you to leave now. So please leave.
All right,
Now, not
I'll
in a
leave
second.
when you're not yelling.
You want to see me yelling? Do you want to see me yelling?
It looks like you're yelling.
I can yell a lot fucking louder. I'm asking you very calmly to go.
I don't see that. Dude, they're a
Do you
bunch
want
of
me
little
to
kids,
not get
dude.
fucking calm?
Get the fuck out of here. Act immature, dude. How old are you? Dude, are you fucking